Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Oh, it's 59 Chevy Impala time. I bought this from a 91-year-old man. He'd owned the car for 20 years. Try buying a car over the phone. Someone doesn't know how to do emails or text or any of that. But we got through it. The car is here. It's beautiful. 59 Impala, gorgeous. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study about 100 pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as new videos come out. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in a 59 Chevy. Don't get that opportunity too often. These cars just aren't around. I mean, they're not impossible to find, but you don't see them regularly. I'm in the car world, and I don't see them. This one here is a looker. Standing here, it's slick, it's beautiful, it's perfect. But it's not perfect. It's not a frame-off, nut and bolt restored car, but it's nice. Underneath the car is real solid. You can see photos we put on our website. Just smooth, clean floors, all painted satin black. Up front, they just converted it to disc brakes. It's got new ball joints, new sway bar end links and bushings. So a lot of new front end parts. On back, it's got coilover shocks were recently added. Dual exhaust. Well, you see those on the side of the car. It's got the original 1959 Power Glide transmission. Bottom of the motor's clean. So anyway, the body is slick. It's straight. It's shiny. Very glossy. And this is a bright red. I don't know what it is, if it's Porsche red or what, but it doesn't get much brighter than this. And it's polished out very smooth and glossy. The gaps are nice. This fits real nice. Now these are called cruiser skirts. This is like a 50s custom. It does come off, but it's a big fiberglass cruiser skirt. It's got dual rear antennas. It's got these nice deluxe mirrors. They're originals. There's a little pitting. These are dummy spotlights. They're for looks. It has the trim and the rockets on the fenders. Up here, the chrome is shiny. There's a couple dents and scratches. These pieces look to be good original. Got the cross flags right here. The spinner hubcaps. Spinners are an option. They look new. It's got a red painted rim, radial tires. Original glass in the car. There's some mild wiper marks and little tiny nicks. There's no stone chips, but decent windshield. This fits real nice. If you actually feel, I can't even see them, if you feel, there's a few bubbles right here. It's a common place. There's a seam right here where the quarter meets the rocker. So a few little bubbles, not even to be concerned about. Doors shut nice. Weather strips are new. The jambs are painted nice. Continental kit on the back. The cat's eyes taillights with blue dots in the middle. Re-chromed bumper. There's a lever underneath that pops the trunk open. I've already popped it open. I think the last 59 Impala, I said it might as well be an El Camino. You take this trunk lid off, it's like the back of a pickup truck here. It's huge. There's 2 full-size tires in here, and there's still a ton of room. And I think it's funny. I told you the guy was 91 years old, and someone knitted a tire cover for it. I would expect that was probably his wife that did that. But it does have the jack. It's carpeted. It's all painted real nice. It has new weather strip. Has a few new parts too, some extra valve covers, floor mats. The seats have been reupholstered in the correct upholstery with the plaid inserts and the chrome piping. And the motor, I'm still trying to find out exactly what the motor is. It's obviously a small block Chevy. It has dual quad Edelbrocks on top. It's got some vintage looking Offenhauser finned aluminum valve covers. But the motor has stock manifolds, distributor, wires, all that looks nice. It's got a new power brake system. It has power steering with new hoses going to it. Fuel pump looks new. It's got a battery disconnect. The battery's all bolted down properly. So the door panels have been replaced not that long ago. They're real nice. I told you the seats were replaced. The headliner and visors are new. Both lights up here work. It has new red seat belts in front. The cushions feel real good in the seats. The carpets were replaced. They're not new, but they were replaced 10, 15 years ago. They're decent. In addition to the factory gauges, which actually all looks nice. The dash is painted. It's got a lot of new trim. It has a retro stereo right in the hole. Down below there is a gauge cluster with a tachometer. This trim is a little bit nicked up here on the sides of the seat. It's got the standard or the original type steering wheel. You find they're cool looking wheels. You find those in custom cars. People choose that wheel to put in their car because they're cool. Start it up for you. It's got the heel pad gas pedal. So it has side pipes, but they're not that loud. I put my hand over the pipe to make sure that's where the exhaust was coming out because it wasn't that loud, so it must have baffles in the side pipes. The motor compartment, it's spray painted and cleaned up. It's not show condition, but it's nothing to be ashamed of. It does have an insulation pad on the bottom and someone hand painted a Chevy logo. So I think I said earlier, it's a flawless paint unless you're looking for flaws. If you just stand next to the car, the paint is stunning. Overall, the trim is straight. It's not beat up. It fits the car. The trim is all real good. The trunk will latch if you just reach. It's right underneath there. You push in the lever and it locks it because the Continental kit's in the way. It's just easier to pull that. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us on our website. Ask whatever questions you have about the car, the process, delivery, financing. We'll help you with all of that. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.